Let's dive right into this explainer on maritime survival and the crazy physics of staying afloat. The U.S. Coast Guard says your vessel is actually your absolute best lifeboat against capsizing. But honestly, how do those massively heavy ships actually float and stay completely upright? It's all Archimedes' principle. Basically, an object gets pushed up by the exact fluid it displaces.
Density is the real secret here. Wood displaces way more water, creating a massive upward pull.
Displace enough water, and even a 500 million kilogram bulk carrier floats like a dream. Try taking a deep breath next time you swim. Your expanded lungs displace water, making you float. Floating isn't everything, though. Gravity is constantly pulling downward, through a ship's center of gravity. At the exact same time, buoyancy pushes up through the center of buoyancy down below.
So when a boat tilts, its underwater shape changes. That center of buoyancy shifts outward.
This creates a theoretical pivot point we call the metacenter, located high above the gravity center. As long as that metacenter stays high, opposing forces literally snap the boat safely upright. But if the center of gravity creeps too high, the boat gets unstable and just rolls over. Even just burning low-level fuel during a trip raises that center of gravity, killing your stability. But here's a wild question. Does the actual type of water change this physics equation? It totally does. Salt water is denser and a bit more viscous, completely altering vessel performance. Salt gives more lift. Boats literally sit higher, grip the water better, and are way more efficient. So next time you board a boat, ask yourself, is your weight saving you or sinking the ship?